Carol now, who has been talking this morning about how it's going to get colder. Morning, Carol.
Good morning, Sal and John. Good morning to you too. You're quite right, Sal. Today, not so cold, but as we head in towards Friday in particular and Saturday, much colder. So today what we've got is quite a bit of cloud around. It's going to be breezy as well. Some rain in the forecast, but mild. And you can see that quite nicely on our air mass chart for today. The yellows and the ambers are here. But look, Thursday night into Friday, we pull in this Arctic air. It turns much colder. Same on Saturday, but it looks like on Sunday, we might see a return to the Atlantic air. Now today we've got high pressure in the south, a weak weather front clearing away from East Anglia and another weather front across the north of Scotland. So we've got the dregs of this weather front to clear away. It will eventually push away across North Norfolk into the North Sea. We'll hang on to the rain across western and northern Scotland where it's going to be windy. And for Northern Ireland, the rest of England and Wales, there will be quite a bit of cloud at times, but we'll see some brighter breaks as well. But you may well still see a little bit of drizzle on the hills. Temperature-wise, today we're looking at 10 in Lerwick to 14 in Aberdeen and Belfast, and we're looking at about 13 in Cardiff, so mild for the time of year, especially in the north. Tonight, our weather front goes north and then sinks south. Behind it, we'll have some squally showers. Ahead of it, we're looking at, once again, a lot of cloud with some drizzle on the hills. And where we've got all of that, it's not going to be a cold night. But we start to see the colder air coming in across the far north of Scotland. Now, that's behind this weather front, which will continue to sink southwards during the course of the day. The colder air follows in behind it, but we're still in the milder conditions ahead of it. So the rain moves through Scotland into northern England and Northern Ireland. Then we've got some wintry showers coming in over the hills of Scotland. But again, in the Northern Isles, some of that will fall as snow to lower levels later in the day, where there will also be gales. For the rest of England, away from the north and Wales, we're looking at, again, a day of a fair bit of cloud, the cloud breaking up, some sunny spells coming through, but still quite a breezy day. And here, we still are in the mild conditions. We've got 13s and 14s, but the cooler air sinking that bit farther south across parts of Scotland. But it's as we head on through Thursday night into Friday, we're all going to get a blast from the Arctic. It's going to feel much colder. It's going to be windy. We'll have some wintry showers across the north of Scotland and down the east coast. Now, not all of us will see them, of course, because they are showers. We can see one or two in the hills of Northern Ireland and Wales, but there will be a lot of dry weather as well. And these are our temperatures. And Sal and John, if I just show you these, 5 to 7 in the east, when you add on the wind chill, this is how it will feel. So sub-zero or just above for some, but still quite mild in the southwest.
Carol, Andy's messaged us on Twitter with the most unsubtle bit of gloating I've ever seen. He says, "What's the weather like in the Maldives for next week, Carol?"
Oh, thanks, Andy.
Don't tell him. Don't tell him.
Andy, have a lovely holiday.
Yeah.
Damn you, Andy.
Yes.
Thank you very much indeed. Thanks, Carol.
Lucky Andy.
Yeah.
Word.